First Ice Bucket Challenge. Thank you, Lisa Mosley, for nominating me. I nominate Sarah Hallmark for going on about it so much to me at work, Sarah Parkinson, and Joseph Rossall, and Lydia Rossall.
Hi, I'm John Rossall. This is my ALS Ice Bucket Challenge, I forgot. If any hotel thinks that I've stolen this from them, then they've got to prove it. Thank you to John Pierpoint and my mother for nominating me. And I nominate the obvious two choices, Paul Rushton and Darren Blackburn. And then I'm going to go transatlantic and nominate Mr. Ken Miller and Mr. Brent Perry for their contribution to my grey hair over the last few years.
1, 2, 3, go!
Lydia,
Throw it over.
throw it!